21 countries, 76 days, 23,000 kilometers, treacherous terrains, a spectrum of temperatures, blizzards and sandstorms, change of rules and regulations, lands of unknown languages, roses and rocks, and much more. Bangalore to London, a dream turned reality for two adventure enthusiasts from South India, King Richard and Manjunath, who rose up to this challenge and emerged victorious. Come, let's see and hear from these riders about the road many dread to ride.
Hi, I'm King Richard.
Hi, this is Manjunath from Bangalore and Gulbarga, we can say, because of my two businesses settled in Gulbarga and Bangalore, so I keep shuffling.
I decided to do adventure riding 2014. We joined the club called Thumpers United, and from there we have started plenty of rides.
And really that has changed my life completely in terms of, my look towards the life. That is how my riding skill started.
When we completed all the rides which we did in India, like Kanyakumari to Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, out of this we want to do a bigger ride.
So Richard ನಾನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 2016 to go to Singapore. That is the first expedition, namdu out cross country expedition adರಲ್ಲಿ.
When we went for Singapore drive,
we met one Spain guy.
He was doing a world ride. We understood a lot of things, a lot of learnings from him, how to ride a bike in other countries. So that inspired us to do a world ride.
When Richard asked, yes, Manjunath, I'm planning for Bangalore to London andaga, without second thought, yes anta ಒಂದು point bantu. Then yes ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ easy. Then later it comes, that is where the challenging starts.
When I told this plan to my wife, initially she didn't believe. Then she said, okay. Slowly she understood my passion. She was fully supporting to me.
I thank my wife especially. She doesn't want to leave me alone or with Richard also initially. Later she accepted.
That's the way we are convinced a family. When we decided we want to meet people who have already did Bangalore to London. That is the case. We found there is a Meenakshi Sai who she has did Coimbatore to London by a car. So we got a chance to meet them, I discussed with them, and we told that we are going to do in the bike. And she has given some tips to us, country border crossing, what are the things you have to carry, what are the difficulties you may face. Plenty of inputs which made us easy to prepare for our ride. 6 months prior we have started our preparation. We are planning for a big ride. This is my garage. First we applied for visas.
1 or 2 countries adre we can plan and go. When it comes to almost like we are traveling 22 to 23 countries, adralli planning must be a dot to dot, country to country. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ the entire planning goes off.
To apply for the visa, we want to know a reliable person.
At Delhi, Shrey ಅಂತೇಳಿ, a consultant
who is a specialist in visa processing.
He has done a fantastic job for getting our visas.
The visas we are taking one after the other, back to back. Finally, Russia didn't give visa. They want to see us. Usually other visas they give directly. This time Russians wants to meet us.
Next day, immediately ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು Richard we took the flight and went to Delhi. Interview was only for 2 minutes.
And finally next day we got the visa.
Next challenge was another 2 visas to get. That is Schengen visa and Myanmar visa.
That got into a problem because the holiday season, the visas applications are full. Bangalore, it is full. Our agent said immediately, you fly to Bombay, I'll see that you'll get a visa in Bombay.
Our interview happened in Mumbai. We rushed back and we started our journey without Myanmar visa stamped.
So when we had decided for this ride, first we want to decide with our bikes.
Richard initially come with an idea he selected with Triumph Tiger XCX.
This is my baby which I'm going to take to London. Triumph Tiger XCX. So I've taken new gear. This is Scorpion Imoni. This is my gear. And I shifted indicator lights from here to here. I'll keep following with brakes. So that's the reason I have shifted that indicator light from here to here with a clamp. We have extra fuel can. There are some places where we won't get fuel, so better to carry extra fuel can. Then extra Pioneer box. Side Pioneer box. This is our final destination. The British have come from here to here. Richard is going from here to there. Next step, what we want to do, we want to learn bike skilled. On that idea, so we want to meet a person called Junaid, who specialized in biking. So we approached him and said we want a training program. So he organized a training program in Tumkur for 3 days camp. So it given a lot of confidence to us. Second thing, we want to know the mechanism of the bike. We approached our Triumph dealership saying that we are going for a big adventure tour. Why not you give a training? They are very kind and they had given a full complete training for the bike. That given an additional confidence to us. So finally we decided to buy a good gear.
We closed with Scorpion gear.
And good helmet, MTS helmet and Sina wireless system which we want to communicate with Manju.
1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆ ಸೆನಾದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಲಂಡನ್ ರೈಡ್ ಅಂತ.
And we gone with the GoPro cameras.
ಒಂದು ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ತುಂಬ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದು ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಢಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಟು ಮಚ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ವರ್ ವೆರಿ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
We finally, after long preparation for our ride, final day has come. We have decided 16th of April 2018.
ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೌನ್ ಹಾಲ್.
And we are a big get together with our families, friends, rider groups.
ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ರಿಚರ್ಡ್, ವಿಜಯ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿ ವರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೊಂದು ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಹಾಲಿಂದ.
Finally we kick started our bike with a flag off.
ಟೌನಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದಿಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಆಂಧ್ರ ವಿಜಯವಾಡಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
When we have started our ride from Bangalore, we went directly to Vijayawada. There one of our friend Santosh joined in Vijayawada. As per plan, Vijay will be traveling till Myanmar border, the Burma border, first international border. Other friend, one Abhi, he will be traveling till Andhra.
Hey Santosh.
Hey.
Huh?
Very tired, boss. We are driven today at a temperature of 40 degrees. From there we have started our ride to Srikakulam. From Srikakulam we went to Kolkata.
ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಐ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ದೇ ಒಂದು ಚೌಟಿಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ.
Our Manju lost his iPhone and we got a room in Kalyana Mandap. This is the wedding hall.
From Kolkata we went to Malda.
ಮಾಲ್ಡಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಲ್ಡಾದಿಂದ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಭೂಟಾನ್.
As we entered the Bhutan, we came to know that surprising that there is an election in Bhutan, so no entry for any foreigners into the Bhutan.
ಗೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್, ಸೊ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೇ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ಆ 6 o'clock ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೈಕರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
Local bikers were waiting with us. They said, you are a biker. They are starting asking about our adventures. Then he said, why not you stay in the nearby hotel? The owner of the hotel is a biker. So we went there and stayed in that hotel with a biker group. He invited all the bikers in the evening for coffee. We had a coffee and we had a chat with them. So next day we want to enter Bhutan. When we understood that next day is a Saturday, Bhutan permit is closed. Very next day is Sunday. Sunday also you can't get you have to wait till Monday. Problem for us, we can't wait long there because we have to go to the Myanmar border, the fixed date for us. So that biker group, a very friendly group, they said, okay, no problem, we will take you inside the Bhutan. There is other route. This is not illegal. The different route where you have not seen this route. No bikers have traveled. Indian bikers have traveled in this route. We said, okay, we are excited.
Just to cross the place, maybe around 5-6 kilometer, we are going on some road all actually ಒಂದು ನದಿ ತೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಾಲ್.
Vijay, another wireless is calling me, Richard sir, can you help me to lift my bike? I said, I also fallen, you come and lift me. This was the situation. I had a fall, immediately 2 seconds I realized what mistake I am doing it.
I pushed him and he also said okay, but ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ.
So that confident I started my bike again. We went for this bridge. Go.
ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಒಂದು 300-400 meters ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
I immediately parked the bike in the side. I told I can't. Daringly Manju and Vijay decided to cross. We have started our ride from Bhutan to Myanmar. From Guwahati we went to Nagaland. From Nagaland we via Koima and Impal we will be reaching More.
That's where Vijay journey up to that was the last there. Really thanks to him. Throughout there he was there up to there. Luckily we got Myanmar visa punched and name change bought right 27th day actually.
We had a nice fun in Myanmar border. There is a bridge called India-Myanmar Friendship Bridge. The bridge is colored in a different 2 colors.
First portion is yellow paint ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಲೇನ್ ಅಂತ.
Just we shake hands, we left towards Myanmar on the bridge.
3 major countries ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ is a guide ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆ and local officers is a must. One is Myanmar, Thailand and China.
Our guide and other vehicles are waiting other side of the bridge. As we entered, they welcomed us. That stampings, visa stamping, everything we did.
And immediately we took the local SIM and then we travels towards Kale. Kale ಇಂದ ಬಾಗಾಗೆ next ಡೇಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
So we try to visit the places which are the places we visited when we are traveled in the car. Basically Buddhist temples called pagodas there. There are 3,000 pagodas in Bagan. Exactly where we parked our car, same places we have parked our bikes. We took some good photos. We started our ride from there. Slowly we crossed Myanmar. We reached Thailand border. As per the Thailand country rules, we should have a guide in Thailand also. There was a guide waiting for us in Thailand border.
He taken care all the process. It hardly took 1 or 2 hours. Yes, crossed. As a biker, The roads are fantastic. The terrain and rain was there. Greenery was fantastic. The terrains ತುಂಬ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
Next day we left Thailand. On the way to Laos border, we went to a temple. It is called the White Temple. Very beautiful temple.
ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ we went towards Laos.
As soon as we entered the Laos, we have seen a wide road. Myself and Manju and wireless. Manju stopped. You know which side to ride? Manju said, I don't know.
And wait, someone go cross that and we just follow them ಅಂತ. And literally that has happened. One truck guy crossed and we followed him and I understood how to go there.
Seeing our mind was fully filled with enjoyment, seeing the beautiful terrains, greeneries, good mountains, fantastic road. Seeing this, we have missed where to stay.
Travel ಮಾಡ್ತಾ dark ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು and we found a small hotel. Again, to experience ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ again ಟೈಪಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತು ಸೈನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ 1 lakh rupees ಅಂತ.
We got a shock. Manju, what is this? Just we have started calculating, then we found it is only 850 rupees to Indian money.
We stayed in this hotel. I don't know hotel name is written in their language, difficult to find out. But anyway, good night stay.
Next day we have started our ride from there.
Beautiful place. Oh, Laos is actually a pretty good. But country is not developed, however, lovely place. We are about 100 kilometers from China border.
Beautiful sceneries. Laos is a small country. Since we have not studied much about Laos, all of a sudden into the Laos for a day. It was fantastic experience. Finally we entered China. As we entered nearing Laos, which we have entered, the new roads were laid by Chinese.
The road was very pathetic.
It was fully muddy road.
ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ ಮಂಜು?
ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಕೇಳಿ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಂಜು?
ಹೌದು ಹುಷಾರು.
I was little scared on off-roading. Manju was very good in off-roading. So I said, Manju, it is very difficult to me to ride. I told Manju, you go first, then I'll come.
ಇಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಟೈರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಕಾರೇ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ನಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
I was traveling there. Suddenly Richard, I was hearing from back from Richard saying that Manju, be careful. There is something is coming behind you. Vehicle is coming. It is going to hit you ಅಂತ.
ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ.
ಗಾಡಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಮಂಜು?
ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ.
One big SUV coming behind Manju. He applied the SUV fellow applied the brake. The car didn't stop.
ಲಾರಿ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಕಾರ್ ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಂಜು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ. ಕಾರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆದ ಅವನು.
ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
I was shocked. I said, Manju, now though after seeing this, I can't ride. You have to park the bike and come. Manju went, parked his bike. All the way it came back to me.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ ಅವನು. ನೀ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು. ಮಂಜು ವೈ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್. ಅವ್ನು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ಗಾಡಿ. ಗಾಡಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗಾಡಿ.
He holded the bike. That's why I crossed this muddy terrain.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎರಡು ಕಾಲು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಅక్కడ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಲಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಆರಾಮ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೆತ್ತಿಗೆ.
With that condition, we have crossed and we entered China. First we encountered the military people keeping AK-47 guns, standing around. We are little scared. We went inside China. We parked our bike.
The same officer want to take the photo with us. Seriously amazed. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you. This gentleman is fantastic. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. They understood that we are riding from India and they're so much happy about us, and they did their routine check, but then they are so happy that they gave. Richard? Oh my god. Nice, crazy fellow. ನಮ್ಕಿನ ಟಾಲ್ ಇದೀರ ಅಂತ. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 50 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ವೇರ್ ಚೈನಾ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್.
My bike is approved. I parked my bike. Then next day Manju bike went into this track.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಬೈಕ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವನು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಆಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಗಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೀಲಿಗೆ ಆಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
They have taken a bike for a second time for testing, a Manju bike. Then Manju bike got passed.
I think my testing is done. Yeah.
Manjunatha, now you just drive
Yeah.
to parking.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
The final they issued a license for us.
It is a Chinese driving temporary driving license.
Superb, yeah.
For you.
Yeah.
And this is Chinese like license for motorbike for you.
So we did it.
Yeah, you got it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Richard, congratulations to you. It is mine, but anyway you are holding it. It's not a problem. It's mine. From there, yes, China is welcomed.
See, beautiful hanging. Oh, these are restaurant, supermarket.
Cycle is for rent, I guess.
Oh, cycle is for rent. Superb. Huh? The temperature very good night. It's not much different.
In the room it is good.
I slept well. Height and good landscape and good yellow mountains, around yellow mountains. On the flat road we started at the temperature of 7 degree and it went up to 32 degree. We removed our rain gears and opened up slowly one after the other zips.
The roads are made the mountain to mountain is the direct bridges.
This tunnel is almost 10 kilometers, man, Richard.
The mountain had been drilled for 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. Oh my God. OMG.
The mind is filled with experience. Then we understood from our guide it is about 300 tunnels. Hi, we are at what lake? This is difficult to remember.
Hanyuan Lake.
Hainyar Lake. This is our guide. He will explain you about this lake. This is a man-made biggest lake in this what place?
Southwestern China.
Southwest of China. It's very big. Either you can see this lake. Wow. The mountains, it is very cloudy today. The mountains ranging about 4,000 to 4,500 meters long. Maybe snowfall or something may be happening there, which we can't see now. This is how we fill petrol in China. This type of this part of China. So they'll give only in the can. And open myself. Fill the tank.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
Hi, this is how Chinese relax in the evening. It's a dance and come exercise. I have not seen here, even when I entered China, we have started seeing this type of dance program, so that it became a dance and it becomes an exercise.
Second is it's an sand dunes, one of the oldest sand dunes. It comes under Silk Road actually.
We are in a desert. This building what you see here opposite, it is built for a rest house or the people are traveling all the way from Arab here and they used to take a rest on the Silk Route. And there was a lake down. A lake which was thousands of years this was there. Now it has become dry, so government is maintaining by pumping out the water and spending millions of money to maintain this lake.
We had an helicopter ride and aerial view there. Fantastic experience and views are really fantastic.
Finally, we are reached to Mai. From there, after 3 days, we reached to Chandru. Chandru, the first biggest town which we are going to encounter. It is a fun. We enjoyed there for 2 days, and we have started our ride. We know the next biggest terrain will be. We will be going to Tibetan area. We have stayed in this place. Full horse. Good place to stay here. It was chilly, cold there, and first thing after 4 to 5 days of travel, we are seeing a different people. They are not Chinese, they are Tibetans. Tibetans are big face, very tall people, huge people. The Chinese always short. Then we took good photos there, started our ride. After 2 days, we have reached Tarpan. The Tarpan is 154 meters below the sea level. There was temperature of 2 degree. In Tarpan is 42 degree. Too hot. We reached Tarpan. From the Tarpan, we have to travel all the way to Kasgar. Kasgar is the last town in China.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಹಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್. ಒಂದು ಕೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ವಿ ಡಿಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ರೀಸನ್.
Hi guys, we are in a petrol bunk in Tarpan. Our bikes are not allowed inside the petrol bank. You can see the petrol bank there. And they have put our bike in a closed chamber. This is a fully grilled close the chamber. We have to park the bike inside. They'll close the chamber, and we have to pay the money. They'll fill the petrol. You can see how they're filling the petrol. This is how they fill the petrol to my bike. We have paid the money. They'll fill the petrol. Manju is out of our bikes are in jail, not Manju. Manju is outside of jail. Our bikes are, they fill petrol. Once they fill the petrol, they'll open the gate. We can take the bike out. We are not allowed to fill petrol. I don't know how much they're filling petrol. Just we have paid money and told them to fill this much petrol. They're filling. This is a closed cage. You can see.
Almost 20 days ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಚೈನಾ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ದ ಡೇ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ದ ಚೈನಾ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ
They have taken our mobile for scanning.
ನಂದು 2 ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಫೌಂಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್.
Finally they said we have to take Manju to the custody.
ದೇ ಟೂಕ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 20-30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೂವಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಜೈಲು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು AK-47 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೆರರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 2 hours ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹರಾಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಲಕ್ಕಿಲಿ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಫೌಂಡ್. ದೇ ವರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 words I understood, WhatsApp and Facebook.
Finally Manju reached, said absolutely no problem. He shared his experience. Then we said everything is clear. All this thing we have lost about 4 hours in China. It was about 4 o'clock we entered, left China and we entered Kyrgyzstan.
Every country we getting different experience, and the experience what we get, it is not even a 5 or 6 hours ride we did it here, but we are very happy in this country because of the people.
Kyrgyzstan areas sun sets very late. They said there is a snowfall, careful. Manju and myself decided, okay, Manju want to see the snow.
ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೂ ಸ್ನೋ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಮಾತು. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ, ಆ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಸ್ನೋ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ.
We are in Kyrgyzstan.
We started our bike about 30 kilometers, not even 30-25 kilometers. First we found a snow. We are very happy. Manju, snow is there. We'll ride in the snow.
ಸ್ನೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಆಯಿತು. ವಿತಿನ್ 20 minutes 30 minutesಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೆರೇನ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ನೋ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎನಿ ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಎನಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ,
ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಬಿದ್ದ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು.
ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್.
ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಟು ಡೂ, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಡ್ರೈವ್, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ.
ಐಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ನಮ್ಮಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗಂತೂ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫುಲ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ನೋ ಇತ್ತು.
Not even 100 meters I had a fall.
ಸ್ನೋ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆನ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆ ತೆಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫೋಟೋ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ನೋ ಶೇಟ್ ಬಂದೆ ಮೆಲ್ತಿಗೆ ಮೆತ್ತಿಗೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್.
ಕಾಲು ಆಯ್ತು.
ಟೇಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್.
ಕಾಲು ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇರಿ
ಕಾಲಾಯ್ತು. Manju, what you have taken decision?
Oh man, sorry yaar. What to do? Che, you have not taken this decision.
Oh no. What are you doing?
Oh, skid.
I don't know whether I able to stand, Manju.
Check, आराम से.
I don't think I can ride.
Oh, that time I felt, we made a big mistake.
I can't ride it after, you know.
I know. ಸರಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಗಾಡಿ. Take it.
Then I stood, tried to walk. I'm not able to walk.
ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಈ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ನೋ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ರೆಪ್ಪೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಲಕ್ಕಿಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಕ್ ಗೈ ಕೇಮ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರು. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಅವ್ನ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕೂಡ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ
It was very surprised. Then luckily these people came and they lifted our bike and put in their truck. Then we went back to the border again. We are not riding today. And 2 riders are sitting today. Usually always we will be riding. Today we are sitting. Bikes are race.
we are enjoying it.
This is Kiristan driver is riding driving his bike, tempo with our bikes. Wow, see this. Is it possible to ride bike here? We stayed in a border in a small house.
ಒಂದು 2 days ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಗೇನ್ ರೈಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಉಜ್ಬೇಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್.
Yesterday rain, they kept our bike at their owner's house, a big house. My leg is having problems still and managed to ride as much as possible. Let's see how things goes.
35 kilometers. Yeah, Richard, good morning.
Good morning, Mini.
Today around 235 kilometers, Richard, and all well now. Everything is going good as of now. It's very small town and well planned, Richard.
Oh yeah. Kyrgyzstan.
Bye bye Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan was for us was like more of a rest day.
Nothing we did in Kyrgyzstan. Only we did ice skating in the bike. ಸಿ ಮಂಜು, ನಾವು ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಬೈಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಜಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಏಲಿನ ಥರ ನೋಡೋ ಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Kyrgyzstan border was fantastic. People are very friendly.
Super, everything fantastic, very smooth, very nice people.
Yeah.
Without language we have managed everything. Because of Mithun Chakravarti we are able to go very clearly.
We went to Uzbekistan.
Welcome to Uzbekistan. Yeah man. Richard crossed. I was supposed to crouch. I'm just putting my gloves on.
Hi, good morning. You have stayed in this hotel, Short Link Palace, Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Everything fine. We are leaving now.
We stayed in Uzbekistan. From there we entered Kazakhstan.
Wow, Uzbekistan over. We are exiting Uzbekistan. This is the last gate. I just want to check. No stay. Good morning. Thank you. Wow, another country.
It is a dry place. Wind flows at the speed of 70-80 kilometer speed.
ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥರ ಇದಾಗಳು ಮನೆಗಳು.
But it is totally different, huh?
It's completely. Kazakh ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ completely different feeling.
Even people also different, huh? Yes, sir.
Hi, good morning. We are at this place. What is this? Alaska. Okay. This place, and we are leaving now. We are going to October. It's very, very difficult. Anyway, I managed to pronounce. This is a hotel we stayed. It is in middle of a desert. You can see. Now only sand. This is a desert. We had rode about 450 kilometers yesterday. That's fantastic, but there are plenty of crosswinds pushing us. Anyway, we managed, and we have to do same road about 620 kilometers today. The same road, same crosswind. We will do it. With that condition, we have crossed and we reached Russia.
Hi, we are riding in Russia And our destination is Moscow. So Moscow is about 1050 kilometers. We thought maybe difficult to ride 1050 kilometers in one stage.
Oh,
Wow.
so nice.
Even ocean ತರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
River Richard ಅದು ಏನೋ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ river.
The biggest and widest river in Russia.
ಎನಿ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 50-60 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ನಿಂತಾಗ
A traditionally Russian dressed old lady came forward and said, "What do you want?" in all this action language. We said, "We want our food." She said, "Okay, sit." Then we said, particularly, we don't have money. We have only American dollars. She said, "I can't accept dollars. I want only Russian money." Then Manju myself said, "Okay, we can't do anything. We'll go." Then he walked out. She called us. "You want food? Sit, have food. Money is not a matter." So she served a good food.
ಮೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಫಸ್ಟು. ದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಂಸ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನದರ್. They started give some other dishes also. I was not comfortable. So later she gave me a cake piece. ನೀನು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಕ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ. ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಆ ಲೇಡಿ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
We told we have only dollar. We don't have Russian money. So I requested her to exchange Russian money. She told, "What you want? You want to have food?" Then she told, "Sit, have food, relax, then you pay money later." So finally we said we have Kazakhstan money. We showed the money. She said, "Okay, no, we pay it." But she didn't do anything. She served what we want. We had nice food. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thanks for all leaving. Thank you so much.
There we have started our ride. Russia roads are very small road, very disciplined riders driving there, but roads are very small.
Hi, we have some bikers stopped us because they don't have fuel. So I decided to help. The couples, they are coming now. We filled the petrol to let it by fellow bikers. Then I have to put money there.
We were riding Russia. We went to Samara. Samara we stayed for a day, rest a day for us. We searched for insurance. We didn't get insurance. Then we started our ride from there towards Moscow.
Hi, good morning. Today, what Maju? Today, what day? 8th, huh?
Today is 8.
June 8th. So we have left Moscow.
We stayed in Moscow. We serviced our bike. First service center we found in Moscow. We left our bike for one full day service.
ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಿಗ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಲ್ ಬಂತು ನನಗೆ, ಒಂದು 80,000 rupeesದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಓಕೆ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
Then we have started our tour towards right towards our St. Petersburg.
We are on the way to St. Petersburg. We are on the ring road.
Biker.
Wow. We are on the ring road. So we are enjoying the road.
With the traffic.
With the traffic opposite, if you see opposite other side of the traffic, we are okay. We are comfortable. We are having less traffic.
St. Petersburg is a really beautiful place. We enjoyed St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg, after 3 days rest, we started our ride towards Europe. The first country we are going to enter is Estonia.
It's a very small town. What beautiful the roads are. What beautiful the roads are, and
Scenic is mind blowing.
mind blowing.
You
Yeah.
can't.
There was a different opinion because we thought European roads are good. Here the roads are again small, very small, narrow roads. Estonia to Latvia. We stayed in Latvia. We enjoyed Latvia. From there we went to Lithuania. From Lithuania we went to Poland. From there again started our riding towards Austria via Czech Republic. Austria we visited a place, the great King Napoleon, the King of France, who had his dinner. It was recommended by our friend Vijay. So we went there, had our lunch. It's a good experience.
Hi everybody. We are in a restaurant called difficult to pronounce. I'll show you. Here, this restaurant is very famous, about 170 years old, and we are here. We ordered some delicious food. Let me just show the food.
The platter.
Everything fine. We want to know some more details about this hotel. Once we know the detail, we'll come back to it.
Sorry, sir.
Having food there, and we have started our ride towards Italy. Our plan was to go to Rome. Then finally we reached Rome. We visited Vatican City. We visited all the places in Rome. Again, we have started our ride. Here one more excitement, we are from Rome, we are going to Venice. Hi everybody, we are at Venice. Wow. Bikes are not allowed here because there is no road to ride bike, not even a car. If you want to ride in Venice, you should buy a boat and come. So we decided to take a boat today and we are riding on the boat.
So more than 100 islands is like for us visiting in 45 minutes is a great thing. And Venice is a place where anyone has to visit. Everybody knows, and we are happy that we are here. Great.
It was little excitement from when we started Venice because we are going to go Switzerland because our friend name supposed to join us in Switzerland.
Thoroughly enjoyed Ticklitz, Alps of Switzerland, riding, and after name coming, one energy bantu namage.
What a scenery, huh? Wow, we are at Mount Titlis at Switzerland.
Switzerland in the France ಹೋಗಿ France ಎಲ್ಲ we went to the tower. Enjoyed that particular moment and then went to Belgium. Belgium only one day and we stayed, and then we went to Netherlands. We had a 2 days rest and come back to Calais, the border towards the UK.
Wow!
It's the only place where we are going to cross our bike on a train or a ship. Almost for 40 to 50 miles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. That is the only place we parked our bike and then reached the UK.
Yes, guys, superb, huh? Richard, welcome to England.
The minute we entered the UK, so happy, I'm telling you, 75 days ವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಇಲ್ದಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಈ ಟೆರೆನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋ ನಮ್ಮದು ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 2 ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಷರ್. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ವಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ UK.
We stayed in London for 2 days. We had a tour. We want to roam around to Buckingham Palace.
Buckingham Palace ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲಂತೂ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಜನರಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಮೀ ವಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಬೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೈಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. I thank my wife, especially Rekha Manjunath. She was not happy when I started this because she doesn't want to leave me alone or with Richard also.
I like to thanks to my wife. Second person whom I told is Manju, my partner in this ride. I should thanks Manju.
Thank you for Richard being with me for entire ride. Meenakshi Sai, valuable inputs. Thanks to her also. Yeah, Shrey really taken care of all visa part. Without with on time proper planning visas, it doesn't happen. Even our entire ride would have not happened actually. Thanks to Shrey. Vijay, of course, for our entire ride, he was the backbone, getting all the booking of hotels or whatever the nearby places. He always been there. Thank you for Vijay. And of course, Nemchand. He has been always there throughout our ride.
I recommend people to do this type of adventure. Going by flight, it is a fun, but it's a different experience. Going by road, if you're going by bike, it is good.
after having conquered 2 continents. It's time again to hit the unknown roads. This time, it's going to be covering 50,000 kilometers, 13 countries, 3 continents, and tons of adventure awaits. Stay tuned for more.